Okay, lovies, quick question. Have you ever tried a toy that doesn't just buzz but actually moves? Because today, we're going to be talking about a toy that kind of feels like it knows exactly what it's doing. Hey lovies, it's Marielle, and this over here is the LELO Ida Wave app-controlled clitoral and G-spot vibrator. Small in size but big on sensation, this app-controlled pleasure device delivers powerful blended G-spot and clitoral stimulation. It's more compact than any traditional rabbit vibrator, making it easy to bring it on the go. And when paired with the LELO app, you can enjoy a fully hands-free experience with customizable vibrations and WaveMotion pleasure. If you're into smart toys, dual stimulation, or any kind of toy that's a little bit more elevated than your usual vibe, then you're gonna wanna have to stay tuned to this one. And with that, let's get into it. First of all, look at how compact this is. The Ida Wave measures 2.5 by 2.2 by 3.7 inches. So yes, she's tiny, but don't underestimate her. It's made with body-safe silicone and ABS plastic. So it feels super soft on the outside, but still firm enough to do its job properly. Now here's the start of the show. Instead of just vibrating internally, Ida Wave uses WaveMotion technology, which means that the internal massager, this one over here, actually rotates in a finger-like motion. So imagine that come-hither movement that you love. You know, the one that looks like this or this? Well, that's exactly what's happening here. Then, at the same time, the outer part, the bulkier part, focuses more on clitoral stimulation, aka external stimulation. Best believe that you are getting all the attention in the right places. You've got 10 different modes, and because it's app-controlled, you can customize everything. Speed, intensity patterns, you can even make your partner take the reins here. Another few key traits about this toy is that it's waterproof, has whisper quiet vibrations, USB rechargeable, and even comes with its own satin storage pouch because we love a toy that can travel and be stored discreetly. And there you go. It can already go with you wherever you want to go. Using the LELO Ida Wave is super easy, even if you're new to app-controlled toys. Step 1. Charge the toy. Before you play, plug in your Ida Wave using the included USB cable. The initial charge takes about 2 hours. The LED light will blink while charging and turn solid when fully charged. Step 2. Prepare for insertion. Once charged, clean the toy with warm water and mild soap or a sex toy cleaner. Apply water-based lubricant specifically to the slimmer internal massager. Hold the toy with the slimmer massager pointing downward and the broader end above it. Gently guide the internal massager into the vagina. Make sure the top end rests on the clitoris. Take a moment to adjust so it sits comfortably before turning it on. For hands-free fun, pair your toy with the LELO app. Turn on Bluetooth on the toy by holding the center button for 3 seconds. The LED will blink to show it's ready. Open the LELO app on your phone. Locate the toy icon at the bottom of the app screen and select Connect. Press and hold the button on the toy again to confirm pairing. Special app features: remote control from anywhere, custom vibration patterns, syncs to music or touch gestures, and hands-free operation. Once paired, you can adjust the intensity and pressure through the app while keeping your hands free. Step 5. Enjoy and adjust. After inserting and pairing, turn on your toy and experiment with the different vibration patterns. Adjust intensity or patterns either manually or through the app until you find the perfect rhythm. Pro tip: the internal massager over here should stay comfortably inside you while the top massager sits on your clitoris for blended pleasure. Now, who would love this toy? Well, you would love the LELO Ida Wave if 1. You love both internal and external stimulation at the same time, aka dual stimulation. You're curious about app-controlled toys or interactive toys. You also like compact toys that deliver. Play solo or with a partner. Or you just want a toy that feels smart, sleek, and a little bit fancy. And that's all for today's product guide, lovies. If the LELO Ida Wave is the perfect pleasure upgrade for you, all the links are down in the description below. Small size, big impact, and honestly such a fun toy worth exploring. A bit on the high end, but you know what it gives you, it provides. Thanks for hanging out with me today, lovies. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun and honest toy reviews. I'll see you in the next one, lovies. Bye!